Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to transform into Gyokuyou. So let's get started. I start by covering my eyebrows with a full coverage concealer. This gives a smooth base and makes it easier to redraw the brows later. Next, I reshape the eyebrows. Gyokuyou has a very soft and gentle gaze, so I make the brows slightly droop at the ends and keep them mostly straight overall. For the color, I'm using a red-brown eyeshadow. You can also add just a tiny hint of pink to tie it even better to her hair color, but not too much. Gyokuyou has large eyes, so I like to use eye tape and place it in the center of the eyelid. This lifts and opens up the eyes, making them look bigger and more expressive. To enhance that effect, I apply a dark brown eyeshadow over the tape, but only in the middle of the eyelid. It gives more depth and makes the eyes really pop. On the outer corners of the eyes, Gyokuyou wears a soft pink eyeshadow. I apply it in a little V shape, following the natural curve of the eye. Now onto eyeliner. I keep it very close to the lash line and subtle. To make the eyes appear even bigger, I also extend the eyeliner down along the lower lash line, stopping around the middle of the eye. This adds dimension while keeping the soft, rounded shape we've created. Next is mascara. This helps the natural lashes blend seamlessly with the false lashes and adds some definition without overpowering the look. For lashes, I'm going with spiky ones. They really keep the focus on the eyes and help maintain that soft, rounded shape. Next, I draw a few lower lashes with eyeliner. This step is totally optional, but it can add a little extra definition to the eyes if you want. Next, I move on to concealer. I focus on brightening the under eye area and evening out the skin. I keep a little distance from the lash line and gently tap it in for a natural finish. After that, I go in with foundation and blend it evenly. A damp beauty blender usually gives the most natural finish, but you can also use a small makeup sponge like I'm doing here if you want more precision when blending around the eyes and nose. Then I lightly set the base with translucent powder. It keeps everything in place, controls shine, and leaves the skin looking soft and smooth. Kind of like a natural blur filter. For a slightly more mature look, I like to contour the nose to make it appear a bit longer. I use a cool-toned contour powder along the sides of the bridge to give it more definition and blending it carefully. Make sure to keep it subtle, too much product can look heavy, so a light hand is key. To bring some glow back, I pop a bit of highlighter on the tip of the nose, the inner corners of the eyes, and on the brow bone. For blush, I'm using a pink shade and blending it across the cheeks and a little over the nose. Doing that makes it look more natural, like a real flush instead of just a patch of color. Gyokuyou wears a berry-colored lipstick that's noticeable but still soft. I follow my natural lip shape and fill them in carefully to keep it elegant and subtle. To top it off, I add a glossy lip gloss with a high shine finish. This gives the lips more volume and makes the color pop even more. And finally, I complete the look with green turquoise contact lenses from Unixo. And that's it!